In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily planner with Notion AI. If you're someone who thrives on structure and organization, using Notion to set up a daily planner can be a game changer. Not only does it help you keep track of your tasks and appointments, but with the added power of Notion AI, you can customize it to fit your needs perfectly. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to head to Notion's homepage. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do that. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. This is where all the magic happens. Here, you should see an option labeled Notion AI. Go ahead and click on that. This feature is going to be your main tool for creating a personalized daily planner. Next, you'll need to come up with a prompt for your daily planner. This step is crucial because the prompt you type in will directly influence the structure and content of your planner. Think about what you need it to include. Perhaps daily tasks, reminders, or sections for notes and ideas. Once you have a clear picture in mind, type that prompt into the Notion AI. This is where you can really let your creativity shine and tailor the planner to suit your daily routine. After inputting your prompt, the AI will generate a planner page for you. Now it's time to open this newly created daily planner page. At this stage, you have the freedom to customize it further. Do you want to add more sections or maybe change the layout? Notion allows you to drag and drop different elements, adjust the text, and even incorporate colors to make the planner more visually appealing. This is your chance to tweak it until it feels just right. Remember, the goal is to design a planner that not only helps you stay organized, but also inspires you to use it daily. So, take your time to experiment with different formats and features. You might want to set up reminders for specific tasks or create a checklist to track your progress throughout the day. The beauty of Notion is that it's highly adaptable to your personal workflow. Once you're satisfied with the customization, your daily planner is ready to use. Keep it open throughout your day to jot down tasks, appointments, and any notes that pop up. With everything neatly organized in one place, you'll find managing your day-to-day much more efficient and less stressful. And there you have it. You've successfully created a daily planner using Notion AI. I hope this tutorial helps you in setting up a system that keeps you productive and on track. Happy planning, and see you in the next video.